Learn English with Titanic movie. Choose the correct vocabulary. Part 10 of 10. Remember the words. You'll be tested later in this video. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Agony. Rescue. Survivors. Heartfelt tribute. Incredible. Many people in the freezing water felt terrible pain and blank. A. Rescue. B. Agony. C. Incredible. Correct answer, agony. The ship Carpathia came to blank the people who were still alive. A. Survivors. B. Tribute. C. Rescue. Correct answer, rescue. Only a few blank were picked up from the cold ocean. A. Rescue. B. Survivors. C. Agony. Correct answer, survivors. Rose gave a blank to Jack, remembering him with deep love. A. Incredible. B. Heartfelt tribute. C. Rescue. Correct answer, heartfelt tribute. The true story of the Titanic is almost too blank to believe. A. Survivors. B. Agony. C. Incredible. Correct answer, incredible. Like, comment and subscribe.